Holness loses Integrity Commission appeal. Prime Minister Dr Andrew Holness has suffered a legal setback in his ongoing court battle concerning the Integrity Commission's investigation into his financial affairs. The Court of Appeal dismissed his attempt to remove portions of an affidavit submitted by a senior Integrity Commission official. The appellate court also lifted the stay that had temporarily halted proceedings. That decision clears the way for the Prime Minister's substantive judicial review case to resume in the Supreme Court. The judicial review challenges aspects of the Integrity Commission's investigation and its handling of information relating to its statutory declarations. The latest decision does not undermine the underlying allegations or the final outcome of the Prime Minister's judicial review. However, it means the challenged affidavit will remain before the court and the principal case may now proceed. The appeal was considered by Justices Frank Williams, Marcia Dunbar Green, and Evan Brown, with the decision delivered on Friday morning. While that legal battle returns to the Supreme Court, Jamaicans are being warned to prepare for tighter restrictions on another critical issue: water. Water wasting ban coming as drought deepens. A prohibition order against the waste of potable water is expected to take effect on August 10th as Jamaica confronts worsening drought conditions. Water Minister Matthew Samuda says the restrictions are necessary to protect limited supplies and help schools reopen smoothly in September. Activities covered by such an order can include using a hose to wash vehicles, watering lawns and gardens, filling swimming pools, and using treated water for other non-essential purposes. Breaching the restrictions may attract a fine or up to 30 days in prison. The authorities say the dry spell could continue into October. 73 National Water Commission sources are reportedly recording declines ranging from 20 to 80%. The Mona Reservoir is at approximately 62% of capacity, while the Hermitage Dam is at about 47%. Water rationing for several corporate area communities supplied by Mona is scheduled to begin on Monday, August 3rd. 10 parishes recorded below normal rainfall at the end of June, with St. Elizabeth, St. James, St. Anne, and St. Mary already experiencing drought conditions. Court blocks prosecution of Andrew Wheatley. Cabinet Minister Dr Andrew Wheatley has secured permission from the Supreme Court to challenge the Integrity Commission's decision that he should face prosecution for alleged illicit enrichment and other corruption-related offences. Justice David Batts granted Wheatley leave to pursue judicial review against the Integrity Commission, its Director of Investigations, Kevin Stevenson, and Acting Director of Corruption Prosecution, Kelly Ann Murdoch. The court has temporarily prohibited the Commission from filing or continuing criminal charges based on its investigation report until the judicial review is determined. The Integrity Commission recommended 4 charges after investigators alleged that assets under Wheatley's control exceeded his lawful earnings by more than 164 million Jamaican dollars. The proposed charges also include 2 counts of knowingly making false statements in statutory declarations and 1 count of failing to provide requested information. These remain allegations, and Wheatley has not been convicted of any offence. The injunction will expire if his substantive claim is not filed within 14 days. From the country's widening Integrity Commission battles, we turn to St. Mary, where police have launched a manhunt following an escape from the Annotto Bay lockup. Police are searching for 23-year-old A.J. McDonald after he reportedly escaped from the Annotto Bay police lockup in St. Mary on Thursday evening. McDonald, who is from Islington in the parish, was being detained over the alleged possession of a prohibited weapon. According to the police report, he requested permission to use the bathroom at approximately 5:30 in the afternoon. Investigators allege that McDonald removed a bathroom window before making his escape. A manhunt has since been launched, and the police are appealing to him to surrender. Members of the public are also being asked to provide any information that could assist investigators in locating him. And finally, the country's largest agricultural showcase is getting underway in Clarendon as Jamaica observes the Emancipation Holiday Weekend. The 72nd staging of the Denbigh Agricultural, Industrial and Food Show is underway at the Denbigh Showground in Maypen, Clarendon. The three-day event runs from July 31st through August 2nd and will showcase the work of Jamaican farmers, livestock producers, agro-processors, and other agricultural stakeholders. This year's theme is Growing Forward, Cultivating a Path to a Better Jamaica. Organizers say the program will highlight innovation and long-term solutions intended to strengthen Jamaica's agricultural sector. Activities are scheduled to run from 8 in the morning until 5 in the afternoon each day. Patrons are being advised to prepare for hot conditions by carrying water, wearing sunscreen, and using broad-brimmed hats. Tickets will be available at the gate, while discounted group tickets may be obtained through Jamaica Agricultural Society parish offices. Thank you for listening to Jamaica News Now. Like, comment, and subscribe for future stories. Subscribe today, turn on notifications, and never miss the stories that matter most. Jamaica News Now. Your Highlands, your news, right now.